Foxy Joxy Plays a Trick. Written by Nahida Esmail. Illustrated by Bundu Natuli. Foxy Joxy was a sly fox. He sold big fresh watermelons. Watermelons for sale. "Your price is too high," said Rabbit Jabbit. "You are asking too much," said Gia Giraffe. Foxy Joxy had a clever idea. He slit open a big watermelon, scooped out the fruit, and gobbled it up. Then he filled it with water. He took a needle and thread and sewed the watermelon back together. He sold his watermelons for a cheap price. Many animals bought from Foxy Joxy. "This watermelon has only water in it," complained Funky Monkey. "Well, you got what you paid for," said Foxy Joxy. "We need to teach Foxy Joxy a lesson," said Ellie Elephant. The animals gathered around and came up with a plan. "I have an idea," said Oliver Owl. They took an empty watermelon, stuffed Foxy Joxy into it, and played a game of football with it. Foxy Joxy was dizzy. He learned his lesson and never cheated again. Now let's look at the new words of today's story. Watermelon. A big round fruit with green skin, red insides, and black seeds. It tastes sweet and juicy. People eat it in summer to feel fresh and happy. Sale. Sale has two meanings. Sale means things are cheaper than usual. Sale is also the act of selling something to earn money. Take an example from this story. Watermelon for sale means you can buy watermelon here. Price. It is the money you need to pay to buy something. For example, the price of the toy is $5. Slit. Slit means to cut something with a long, narrow cut. Like in this story, the fox slit the watermelon with a knife. Scoop. To scoop is to take out or lift something with a round, curved tool, or even with your hand. Gobble. To gobble is to eat something quickly and noisily.